If you are priced out of your local housing market, you don't have to wait for a crash to start building your real estate empire. In 2026, savvy buyers are using the rent vesting strategy, renting a small apartment in the city they love while owning a high-yield rental property in a more affordable state. By purchasing an investment property first, you get your foot in the door of homeownership and start building equity while someone else pays down your mortgage. You can use the passive income from your rental to help cover your own rent, effectively lowering your cost of living while your net worth grows. Many people don't realize that you can actually buy a rental property before you ever own a primary home, often with as little as 15% down. This allows you to stop throwing money away on rent and start benefiting from the tax deductions and appreciation that come with being a landlord. When you are finally ready to buy your forever home in the future, you can sell your investment or use its equity to fund your next down payment. At lower mortgage rates, we help you think outside the box so you can start owning real estate today, no matter where you choose to live.